How to log in on Postmates app. If you want to log into the Postmates application, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then launch the Postmates app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now you can just tap on the continue button from the bottom, and there are many ways to log in. First is that you can log in with your Google account, Apple ID, or your phone number, or an independent email address. So if you did your phone number, then you can go ahead and enter your phone number right here and just go ahead and log in using your phone number, or you can also select continue with email, enter the email address, and it will send a verification code to that email, after which you can also log in from there. But you can also continue with Google by tapping the continue with Google option that you can see here, simply choosing the Google account that you wish to log in with, and once done, you'll be able to successfully log in to the Postmates application. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.